Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to stop TikTok from recommending accounts you know. So, are you seeing people you know in your TikTok recommendations? I'll show you the settings you should turn off to stop TikTok from recommending accounts based on your contacts and connections. So, first open TikTok and tap Profile. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down, so go to preferences and look for contacts and location. Click on that. So once you're here, under suggest your account to others, you can turn off contacts, you can turn off Facebook friends, and you can turn off people who open or send links to you. Once done, scroll down a bit and under sync contacts and Facebook friends, make sure sync contacts is turned off as well. If remove previously sync contacts is available, tap it and confirm to remove any contacts you've already synced. Finally, you can turn off sync Facebook friends to prevent TikTok from using your Facebook connections for recommendations. You can also turn off remove previously synced Facebook friends. So this will remove all Facebook friends that were synced to your server and stop syncing Facebook friends on all devices. And that's it. So these changes will help reduce recommendations of people you know and make your account more private. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.